I would like to invite you to join this e-government online seminar brought to you by Connectsoft. The contents of this seminar are the result of many years' experience working across government departments and government projects, large and small, across different continents. The objectives of the seminar is to share the information, knowledge and experience we have gained with as many people as possible. We will be looking at many different technologies that can be used in an e-government strategy. This will not be a technical description. This can be obtained directly from the suppliers. What I want to focus on is describing the benefits your organisation can expect to realise by using these products. We will also be looking at some of the soft benefits and discuss how e-government and the different technologies can be used to improve the services you offer to your customers and citizens. Whatever the business driver your organisation has for looking at e-government, there should be something relevant in this seminar. The business case we will be building will be useful whatever your circumstances. The benefits of e-government are all around doing more for less. So whether you are having to reduce your departmental costs or having to expand your service offerings without additional resources, the business case we will build will be useful. A recurring theme throughout the seminar will be the reduction of paper. Paper in one form or another has been with us for centuries and has played a crucial part in the growth of civilization. Even in today's modern world, it still has an important role to play. But I cannot say the same for all the forms, documents, post-its, notes, memos, etc. that clog up the busy office so many of us work in. The processing, managing and storing of vast amounts of paper is slowly choking so many government departments and seriously impeding their ability to deliver cost-effective services. Back in the 80s, there was a vision of a paperless office. Now, in more informed times, we have a target of the less paper office. By the end of the seminar, it should be possible for you to make an informed decision on what parts of e-government will give you the best return, and a plan for moving your strategy forward. At each section of the seminar, there will be enough detail for you to be able to start writing up your business case. It is unlikely that you'll be given an unlimited budget to buy all the products that you may want, and so will need to present a case to show your own project can be cost justified. As previously mentioned, I will not be giving too much technical detail on the different technologies. The purpose is to give you a summary of the benefits of the different technologies to help you make an informed decision when selecting products. In my experience, the product that delivers the fastest, easiest and largest return on investment is electronic intelligent forms. I'll be spending a lot of time on e-forms as I have found that the flexibility, if the right product is selected of course, will have a major role to play in most e-government projects. The more times you use e-forms, the more ways you will find of using them. As well as individual technologies, we will also look at product families, such as information and knowledge management, explaining what this means and how a typical government department benefits from this. A cornerstone technology for any e-government strategy is document and record management. We will cover how to use electronic documents and managing the life cycle of documents. Case management provides the ability to bring together varied and different formats of information into a single user interface, allowing your users to have at their fingertips all the information they need in order to do their job. Other major themes throughout the seminar is the use of workflow and BPM technologies. These have now become mainstream terms, but different suppliers will use the terms in very different concepts. We will discuss the various options, particularly looking at the way your users will benefit. Each module of the seminar will cover a different topic. I would like to show you a few examples of these topics so you can know what to expect when you sign up. One of the seminar modules will cover security. It is often thought that working in an electronic environment, your information becomes more vulnerable. With the correct security strategy in place, this does not have to be the case. As well as basic access control lists, we'll also discuss the best ways to use electronic and digital signatures. For extra security, it may be that public rights infrastructure is best for you. We'll also look at newer technologies like digital rights management. Sometimes called information rights management, have been developed in other markets, film and music for example, and can now be used to protect your documents, should you have to share them with people particularly outside your organisation. Although we will spend a lot of time discussing how to stop using so much paper, it is inevitable that there will be lots left around your office. In this module, we will discuss what can be done with it. We will look at different scanning and capture options, as well as what can be done with these documents once they have been digitised. Over the years, I have seen a number of e-government projects fail because of the needs of the user and employees has not been taken into account. There will be a few modules where we will look at how the users will work and the technology they will use. These will include the way their work is delivered to them, either by electronic inbox or a customizable portal. A great way to save administration overheads is to introduce self-service administration, where the user can manage and, if necessary, change their own personal details. There has been a tremendous change in the way the World Wide Web has been used over the last few years, particularly in the area of user-defined content, often given the rather technical term of Web 2.0. This covers technologies like wikis and blogs and social networking. Of course, we'll be looking at how these can be used in a government setting. User training is a very important part of any successful implementation. We will be reviewing the traditional forms of training, classroom-based and e-learning, as well as exploring a few new ideas that may suit your own needs, such as in-process learning. Because your users will be having to change the way they work, we will need to be sympathetic to their needs during this often stressful time. At regular points through the seminar, we will be looking at how the ideas we have been discussing may work in the real world. We'll do this by demonstrating typical applications that may be used in any government department. These will range from quite specific applications like the management of freedom of information requests and e-tendering to more general applications like quality control. By administrative processes listed here, I mean all those back office tasks, leave applications, etc., that although they may not be mission critical, still form the backbone of a well-run department. It may be thought that electronic patient records is of a very specific interest. A lot of the concepts we will be discussing are covered here, and because of the extreme nature of this application, it will answer many of the questions that may be raised during the seminar. There will be a new topic sent to you each week. These will be sent by email and will include a link back to our web page. You'll need to be online to see and hear them. The content will be a mixture of video presentation, demonstrations and text. The transcript of each module will be available for you to download and keep. Because there is no monopoly on good ideas, there will always be the opportunity for you to ask questions, leave comments, and in particular share your own experiences. Simply enter your details into the form below. Be careful to leave your correct email address, as this is the method I will use to send you the seminar modules. Then press register and you will have joined up. You will receive an automatic email sent to you welcoming you to the seminar. All the course modules will be sent from the email address egov@connect-soft.com. You'll need to add this to your address book or safe list, or they will end up in your spam mailbox. If you decide that you do not want to receive the seminar, you can opt out at any time. The instructions will be at the bottom of the email. I do hope you enjoyed the seminar, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.